calling 911 or nothing? Oh my god.
Sitting and watching is funner.
What?
Sitting and watching is funner.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
Wow, that. Oh my god.
If it blows up, just hide behind the bonfire for shrapnel.
Shit, you want to time to fucking run?
All I gotta do is lean.
They better get the fuck away from that truck.
Oh, pretty fireworks.
You guys calling 911?
I'm using my phone. You calling it?
Call him, Cheeky.
Because he's gonna solve the
Get the
problem.
fuck away from that truck.
Yeah.
Get the fuck away from the truck now. Yeah, if y'all right in front of it,
They're just gonna let it blow up.
most likely.
Retarded ass people.
Hold up. I'll call the fire.
But that might have been a gas tank.
I was expecting a plume.
Fuel lines.
Yep. Another one.
I don't know what that was. Hi, man.
And a happy new year.
The fuck was that?
How did it go?
No one Adam, he ran to his truck, grabbed some fireworks, throwing them in there now.
I would expect it was new.
Yeah, it's taking like this. Where the fucking hoses, bitch? You let that bitch burn all night? Bonfire, it'll burn for like 3 weeks.
I'm about to stop rolling, but never mind.